Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to share to you about how to make a show rack bench. First of all, you have to make vertical rectangle with parallel with the blue axis. You can set the value of the height. It's around 1000 millimeter. It's just for guiding you to make a profile of the bench anyway. And after that, you have to make the profile of the bench. You can use maybe you can use a line. You can duplicate this line and press move, something like this, and you can rotate it and press Control to duplicate it. Okay, you can duplicate it. Maybe it's around um, 20 20 degree of the sloping, and after that you have to make a right side line right here. You can add another line again, so you have to move it as proportional as possible. Then you can rotate it again. It's around 20 degree, and you have to move it up until the height of the bench as you desired. It's around, maybe it's around 40 400, sorry, 400 millimeter, right? And you have to delete all unnecessary line right here. Then if you feel this is too long, you can adjust it on a left or right side anyway, something like this. Then and then you have to make anyway, you have to delete it first, uh, and then you have to make this additional line right, like this. Okay, you have to make an additional line, and you just delete some unnecessary line right here. Okay, you can see it. You can see the position, and after that you could duplicate this line in the left side. Okay, something like this, and you have to duplicate this on the right side, and just add the line right here, and just delete unnecessary line. Just follow this guiding, and then you have to make another extent of the bench. Okay, anyway, you have to make a more curvy of the corner of each corner. You have to make it curvy. Okay, okay, maybe something like this. You have to make it curvy with a 2-point arc, and you can use it. Okay, you can do this for all corner, so it look like more curvy and more smooth for the corner area. And after that, you have to offset it inside with offset tool, and you just offset it around maybe 20 20 millimeter, right? Yes, something like this. It's around 20 millimeter. Then you have to complete this another line anyway. Then after that, you have to push it back right here. You have to push it back. It's around 40, maybe 400, I'm sorry, 400 millimeter, and just make it group. And after that, you have to make a cushion object with a rectangle as well. Then you can push it up until it almost touch the plane of the above board anyway. And you have to adjust your cushion right here. You can use a 2-point arc, something like this. Then you have to follow me by just click this area and use follow me tool and then select this, and you can do this for the bottom side with a previous method. Then you just select this plane and just select follow me and you can complete it. Okay, and you can adjust this corner to be a smooth than before, to be a smoother than before. And this corner you can make it perfect than before, and also you have to make it smoother than before anyway. Yes, something like this. Okay, after that you have to make a material. You have to add some material, especially in bench board. You can use synthetic surface and just assign it to the object, and you can um, assign a material. You can assign a cushion material with fabrics, and you can select from this menu. You can select this fabric linen maybe, and then you can adjust the color and just select the RGB and just move it all on the left side. Then you can adjust the color as you want right here. Okay, maybe you can adjust the color with the color you want. Okay, maybe if you feel difficult by select this color wheel, you can use RGB again and just select the gray material. Okay, maybe something like this. And anyway, you can make some more dramatically object. You can add some books object right here, and you can adjust it to be more realistic or more casual arrangement of the book, as realistic as possible anyway. Then you can you can explore this um, object to be more dramatically composition, something like this. And this is a saw and chair bench, and you can add some material of the floor anyway. You can add you can add the style maybe. Okay, maybe something like this. Okay. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope you can learn a lot from this video. Then I hope you could explore more a complex object with SketchUp, so you can improve your skill to uh, 3D modeling in SketchUp. Okay, thanks for watching and wait for my next videos. Thank you.